Connor, this is Nate with Kick-Ass Marketers in Texas. Thanks for reaching out in the pressure washing, soft washing, and window cleaning worldwide group. I kind of wanted to go over some things on your website, give you kind of a free attack plan. There's 3 things that you can do to help improve your ratings on Google. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. And when it comes to content, for Google, content is king. They want to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. That's because they're looking for relevant searches. You know, when somebody types in pressure washing Orlando, they want to know that your site talks about that. And Google can't see any of these pictures or anything. You know, it looks good to us, but Google is only worried about the content. And you've probably only got a couple hundred words on this front page. So that's definitely something that you could bump up. If we look over here, you know, a lot of the sites are fairly the same. They don't have a lot of content on them. You know, this guy, he may have, well, he's doing all right. He's probably got 700 to 800 words on there. So it's still definitely something that's very beatable. Over here, we've got the pressure guys. You know, and they've, you know, it looks like they've got more content on there than you do too. They probably got 500 to 600 words on theirs. So definitely something that you could beef up. It gives you, you know, the keywords and stuff are what Google is really looking for. So like right now, you're showing up for 19 organic keywords. iShine is showing up for 167. And the pressure guys are showing up for 62. So we can actually go in here. So these guys got the most. We'll take a look at theirs. But with Ahrefs, it's one of the paid tools that we have. You know, we can go in and look where they're at. You know, pressure washing Orlando, they're in the 2nd position. So they're getting 50 visits a month to their page out of 300 people that are searching it. Orlando pressure washing, or Orlando pressure wash, they're in the 1st position. And they're getting 34 of 100 people searching, and that's pretty average. If they're in that #1 spot, they're getting about 1/3 of the total search volume. So they've got a lot of really good keywords here that they're ranking for, and those are some of the keywords that we need to get onto your page and try to get you bumped up there. The second thing that I like to talk about are your citations. And citations are what gets you right here in this Google Map Pack. You know, you can see that iShine is in there. And they're also first organically right here when you type in pressure washing Orlando, Florida. But these are called citations, and it's basically getting your name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet. There's Merchant Circle, BBB, yellowpages.com, Yelp, all those different directories. There's hundreds and thousands of them out there. Whitespark is one of the other paid tools that we have, but I looked it up. You've actually got 34 citations, where iShine has only got 6. So I'm not even sure why they're showing up in that map, but it does help the fact that they're already on the first page. That gives them a little bit more authority to get up into that map section. And then the pressure guys have 23. So we could easily bump this up into the hundreds and get you shown up in that map pack. So the citations are what are going to help you get right up here in these first 3. It also does help, like I said, to be on the first page to give you a little bit more authority to get up here, which is why those guys are probably up there where they don't have a whole lot of citations. But from there, we go into your backlinks, and you're showing 287, which isn't bad at all. But a backlink is any page that points back to you. It's kind of a popularity contest. You know, you find pages that are relevant to your industry that allow you to put a backlink in there. Some of those citations will give you backlinks. You can also go to different blogs and things like that. You know, read up about a pressure washing blog, put a comment in there, put your link on it. You know, just little things like that. They're time consuming, but they're not that hard to do. Go in there, get as many of those as you can. You know, if you look here at iShine, they've got 557. So, you know, they're on that in that #1 spot for some of these keywords. You know, they've got more keywords showing up. They've got more backlinks, which is why they're showing up all over the front page. These guys, you know, they've only got 52 backlinks, but I've seen companies that have 3,000 or 4,000 backlinks, so they're, it's just a matter of taking the time to go out and get them. We can go in here. One of the things we can do because of the tools we have, we can go in and look at exactly where these guys have all of their backlinks and start trying to go in and basically copycat. Go into all of these sites that they have their backlinks, find out where their links are, and try to get you links on those same pages. So we call it a copycat method. Take the guy that's winning, copy what he's doing, and then try to beat him in his own game. But that's kind of the overview. Like I said, content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page. You're going to want about 500 to 750 on all of your back pages. Citations, just go out there and get in as many of those directories as you can and start going out there and looking for the backlinks, the blog comments, and different things like that. Any way you can get a page pointing back to yours. Try to keep the backlinks relevant to what you do. It's not going to really help you to get a backlink on something like Pizza Hut because it has nothing to do with pressure washing. But try to go out and get those relevant backlinks. And let me know if you have any questions. Give me a call, 210-383-8401, or hit me up on Facebook. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for your time.